Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am super excited because I've been trying to do this video from so long now. We are gonna be doing a bold eyeliner and a bold lip look. I think for me, a classy makeup look would be just a bold black eyeliner with no eyeshadow or like minimal eyeshadow, and then a good red lip paired with like a black dress. So I think that would be like a classy look for me, and that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So if you guys are interested in that, please keep on watching and let's get to the video. As always, first I am going to fill in my brows, and I am using my e.l.f. brow pomade in the shade medium brown. Now we're gonna move in with the primer, and today I am going to use this Touch in Sol No Pore Plum Prime Essence, just because it's a bit liquidy primer, and I'm taking like a 2 to 3 drops, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. I have already moisturized my skin from my morning skincare, and now we are actually gonna do eyes first. And we are using the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Now to set my eyelids, I am using this e.l.f. Plus Matte Blotting Powder. This powder is a little bit on the whitish side, and that's what we need for the eyes today. So this is what I'm doing, just setting my eyelids. What I'm gonna do is just take this shade right here from the palette, and I'm going to apply it in my crease. That's the only shade I'm gonna use for my eyes today. Now for eyeliner, I am again using my fave Hank & Henry Blickety Black eyeliner, but today I want to be really light-handed with it and take my time to apply my eyeliner, because that's what's gonna be the most attractive part of our face. So what I do first is I line my lash line, and then I see where I want my wing to be. It's totally up to you. It's just that you have to try your best so that the both eyes kind of look similar. They can never look same, but just try your best and have the wing at a point so that both of your eyes are looking pretty much similar. So that's what I'm gonna try to do today. There you can see I kind of did a low wing, like it's not going super high, but that's how I like my wing. And then you can just play around to make sure that you're liking the way it's looking. So that is my wing. Yeah, you can see I'm going to try to do my best to make sure that the other eye looks the same. Okay, did the same thing on this eye. I am going to make it a little bit thicker to match this one, and then now I'm gonna start doing my wing. So this is where I'm going to leave my eyeliner and I'm going to move in with the face. So for face, I am using my Huda Beauty in the shade Butter Pecan. I'm going to shake it a little bit. And today I am going to use a little dense brush, like a small dense brush. I am going to pump the foundation on the brush and we will work in small portions of the face. So let's say this side first. So you can see the side-by-side comparison. Oh, it looks really weird. So this is the side with foundation. I am going to blend it more. And this is the side without foundation. So I don't know, it's a lot of difference because it's a really full coverage foundation. I don't really use that much of foundation, but today I thought, why not? We're doing a bold look and we want to look full glam without doing too much. And this foundation is perfect for that because it is super full coverage. Alright, next we are doing concealer and I'm using the same concealer because I'm loving this so much. I'm going to do a little bit under the eye here and then a little bit right here for the cleanup. And on the nose, forehead, sides of the mouth, and Cupid's bow, of course. Alright, now that the concealer is blending, I know the eyes are looking really weird, but don't worry. I am going to do a little bit of baking and I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder. And I'm going to press the powder into the skin. Okay, now I'm going to take a big powder brush and I am going to swirl it and set my whole face. Now that the face is set, we are moving in with bronzer. And I am using my Wander Beauty Trip for 2 palette because I love this bronzer. And I have the shades Daiquiri-ish in blush and then Tulum in the bronzer. I'm using this shade. And I'm going to use my Alamore Cosmetics brush. It fits so nicely in the cheekbones. Now that the bronzer is done, I am using my Autobalm Girl Powder Blush. And I'm gonna use this brush from Moda to apply my blush. I'm just going to set my makeup before, so I'm using this NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. I just got this and I want to see how it works, so there we go. Ooh, I love the mist. When it comes to setting sprays, I am really picky because not every mist is super smooth and super fine, but I love this mist. Okay, let's finish up the eyes. I'm going to use my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Just gonna curl the eyelashes. Okay, I am back with my lashes on, so eyes are complete now, and we are gonna do highlighters. So I'm using my Becca highlighter, and it's in the shade Vanilla Quartz because it's a really beaming highlighter. That's what I wanted to use today. To set the brows, I'm using this Marcel Tinted Brow Gel. And it's gonna keep my eyebrows in place the whole day. So for the lip liner, I am using this Jonte Blue or something, I don't know. I got this lip liner in one of my BoxyCharms. The lipstick that I'm gonna use today, you don't really need the lip liner for that, but I thought, why not? I'm going to line my lips with this. You guys can see how much of difference a lipstick will make in the look. And for the lipstick, I am using my ever favorite red lipstick, and that's Fenty Beauty in the shade Uncensored. I have never liked a lipstick more than this. Like, this is gorgeous and it's so beautiful. Okay, that's how the applicator is, and there we go. I don't really apply red lipstick that often. Like, I do it, I don't know, not even once a month, but let's do it. And when I say red, I mean this. Oh my god, applying red lipstick after so long, I don't know, it feels different. And this is the look, you guys. So we have a really nice bold eyeliner, and then we have red lipstick paired with a nice black dress and some gold jewelry. I love to pair black dresses or black clothing with gold jewelry because I think it looks so nice. And this is the look. I mean, I am in love with this red lipstick. I would never apply any red lipstick over this one. And it is a little bit of liquidy consistency, so you do have to be really light-handed and, you know, work in small portions of your lips, like not just going like that. You have to really line it nicely, and this is the look. I am so happy. I think it's really nice for a party, for, like, you know, a dinner date or something. And yeah. Alright, you guys, so that is all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this classy makeup look, and if you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so that you never miss an upload from me. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!